Have you heard of an app that can turn your entire city into rewards? Meet Geolancer. Geolancer rewards you with cryptocurrency for adding places like restaurants, convenience stores, shopping malls, and more to the map. Once the place that you've added is approved, you'll receive your rewards instantly. When you map your city, you're making it easier for everyone to find local shops and cool places. Plus, it brings more customers to these businesses. The more places that you add, the more EQUAD rewards you'll get. So now that you've got some EQUAD, what's next? Like many others, you can change your rewards into local money using your favorite crypto exchange. And then you can withdraw and spend it. Did you know that you can also win Guardian NFTs by simply adding more places? These NFTs aren't just awesome collectibles. They are lifetime boosters for your rewards. And here's the sweet part. The more NFTs you have, the bigger your booster gets. Many find Geolancer to be an easy side gig. Some even use Geolancer to save for their bigger goals, such as going on a trip or having a night out with friends. Join the global community that has collected millions of EQUAD rewards. Download Geolancer now and turn your city into rewards today.